Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with another driving video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. I know you're seeing that red subscribe button right now. Just click that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell, so once I upload a new video you'll be alerted as well. We're trying to get to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st. It's doable. With your help, it is doable. Definitely like the video, share, and leave a comment as well, so that YouTube can recommend the video to other new viewers as well. And as usual, if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal options and other options where you can definitely donate to the channel. So it's another driving video. We're on the Washington Boulevard heading to the direction of Constant Spring Road. So that's what we're doing today. So it's really a driving video, which is Washington Boulevard to Red Hills Road to PRICESMART, that area. So stay tuned and enjoy the drive, and as usual, leave your comments, leave your thoughts as well. So we're heading on to Red Hills Road, and we're about to pass Calabar Mews and Calabar High School. That's on the left. So we just passed Calabar High School. Lee's Food Fair in front of us. That's a supermarket. So this is the intersection, Elizabeth Avenue and Red Hills Terrace. And then Meloy's distributor in front of us. So Red Hills Road, so we're approaching Price Right direction, PRICESMART direction. passing the vicinity of 100 lane off Red Hills Road. There's always some police presence out here. So this is PRICESMART on the right. They now have multi-level parking, because it was a parking nightmare and a traffic nightmare out here before. So they now have a multi-level parking which solve the traffic and parking nightmare that they previously had. So this is PRICESMART. So I'll just show you guys the once there's space upstairs for the upstairs park, and I'll just show you guys. So it's only one PRICESMART in Jamaica right now. It's a membership club, so items are usually cheaper. They also have items that some other supermarket and wholesales don't have. They're planning on building a second one in Portmore, but much work haven't started on that yet. But for now it's the one. So usually PRICESMART is always full, always busy, and it was a traffic and parking nightmare, but this multi-level parking has really helped a lot. So I know some of you guys probably have seen it before, and as I realize, even upstairs is full. So downstairs full, upstairs full. So this is a very busy place. So this was a drive from Washington Boulevard to Red Hills Road to PRICESMART membership shopping. PRICESMART also delivers now, so you can click shop and they deliver to you. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in to another video. Thanks for the continued support. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and if you want to donate to the channel for better equipment, including a drone, you can definitely donate via PayPal, and we have other options as well. So see you on another driving video, and again, it's Rush Raymore, the Discovery Boss.